Ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. Sleep until I feel your touch. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today we'll be trading US oil instead of gold because gold has been in some kind of range, And if you notice on this chart here, I've been backtesting US oil for like forever. So I know how well it plays out. I've tested like you can see this was some weeks I tested like 3 weeks of this. The first week had a total of one break even, 2 wins and 2 loss, which yielded a 2R 2 weeks reward, 2R for that week. So let's say I was mixing $10 per trade throughout the entire week, I would have had $20, even though I had 2 losses and one break even. So the second week again yielded 2 hours. So even though I was trading, I would have had one break even, 2 wins and 2 losses. So this would have been 4 hour. My account would have been up to $40. Then this third week was a loss because there was one win, 3 losses, and one break even. So one thing I noticed, oil usually has a lot of break even. Like 3 weeks back to back, you see break even trades. So that's because whenever my trade goes to 1 to 1, I usually bring back the stop loss to risk free, so to avoid losses. So basically, this was the result for 3 weeks. So basically, you have $30 after these 3 weeks if you are risking $10 per trade. If you're risking $100, you should have about $300, even though you had a losing week. So you can see the strategy is profitable after 3 weeks. There's still some weeks I need to test the time. I'm going to have create some time to finish testing all this week because I need as much data as possible. I also tested all through here. Don't know where's my notes. Okay, my notes is not here. I wanted to show you. My notes is not here. My notes is not here. I wanted to show you where I wrote all the back testing results. But basically, yesterday we took on a trade on oil. I wasn't able to live stream it. I wanted to be so focused because it's the first forward trade I'll be taking on oil. Like it's the first ever trade I'm taking live. The rest were back testing data. So I wanted to be like in the best headspace without talking, teaching, interacting here on YouTube. So that's why I took the trade alone. It went in some profits. It came back for break even here. So although it's still moving in like if I held it, it would have still gone. So I was still profitable for the week. I was still in good light for the week. So right now, I'm going to explain everything. First of all, do your due diligence to share the link. Let's get this live full. Awesome is already here. Awesome is already here. Okay, so let me share the live link. Live trading US oil. Do we have some sound playing? It's not that loud. I can't never love again. I saw you go. Okay, so I'm still sharing the link. If you're not new here, you already know what I'm currently looking at and looking forward to. So you already know what I'm looking forward. And also the Telegram channel is where I'll be sharing most of, let's say we were not able to get a setup during the live stream. The Telegram channel is the go-to place where I'll be dropping the signal for the trade. So if you're not there, make sure to join in join in there. Make sure to join in there if you're not there. Make sure to join in Telegram. Okay, I should be doing the analysis right now because I believe I am done sharing the link with all the communities. So let's go. Let's go. If you're just joining in, you're welcome. Today we're trading USOIL, and as I said earlier on, I've done a lot of back testing on oil, as you can see. So I already know how it plays out. That it's profitable to trade it, very profitable. You can see this week, this week here we got 2 hours after a one break even, two loss and one win. This week we got 2 hours again. This week in negative R. So I'm going to continue testing all this. This is right from February, like the entire this year. That's what I want. That's what I'm plan on. I plan on gathering data from. That's about February, March, April. 3 months of data. If 3 months of data is okay, it's okay to conclude that a strategy is profitable and you can trade it. 3 months of data is really okay. So basically, this morning, just like yesterday, you basically have to mark out a high, then you mark out a low before 3 a.m. New York time, which is 8 o'clock Nigerian time. So basically, even though we have this trade still running in profit, it doesn't stop me from analyzing this morning. It doesn't stop me from actually analyzing this trade. It doesn't stop me from analyzing this morning. So even though this last one it's still like in profit, it's still some nice profit here. So I'm still going to analyze the trade this morning. So basically, we have our eight o'clock here, which approximates to 3 a.m. New York time. So we have it there. Then basically this is the low, 15 minutes low before then, and this is the high here because there's no high that is actually close. This is the high, 15 minutes high before 8 o'clock. So basically I set an alert here by just right clicking and clicking on alert, you'll be able to set an alert. Also, I set an alert here by just right clicking and setting an and clicking on alert. So I also like to use these lines. I'll just put the line here so I can see it clearly. One black line. So I'll put the line there again so I can see it clearly. Somebody's calling me. So I can see it clearly. So basically, the outlook for today is if we can get a break above here. If we can get a break above here, then we'll look for buys. If we can get a break, a close, and not just a break. The 15 minutes has to close because sometimes it might just show a week. So we need to get like the close. So after getting the close, I'm going to enter at the fair value gap, or due to my back test, I see that it's also possible if you don't want to enter at the fair value gap, you can use 15 minutes. This 15 minutes, you use the Fibonacci, then you enter at the zero point 0.3 level, zero point 0.3. So you see it in action basically when a trade comes to play out. So it doesn't take me 5 minutes to be able to analyze and know what I'm looking for. It doesn't take me 5 minutes to be able to know, to analyze and know, okay, this is what I'm looking for. So this is what I'll be looking forward to, and maybe taking out this low liquidity if we're coming down. And if we decide to get, if price decide to take out here, in this case, I'm not doing out of my own will. I'm waiting for price to show me where it's going. I don't form my bias that okay, this is the bias for the day or whatever. I basically wait for price to show me this is its bias for the day and for basically my session. So this is what I'll be looking forward to on oil. Even here, serve is enough. But let's just put it here. So I'll screenshot this and send it to the Telegram channel. The link to join the Telegram channel is in the description of the video. So if you want to check out any particular pair you are trading, maybe you can check it out. I also like to look at gold because I didn't trade gold yesterday. I want to see how it played out. US oil outlook for today. And today is 06 May 2025. If you're not okay taking trades on your own, you can join my copy trading. I don't The link to join copy trading is not in the description yet. So you can basically just send me a DM on WhatsApp if you want to join the copy trading. So if you're on the Telegram channel, you should be able to see now that we have dropped the analysis, the trade idea for today. We dropped the trade idea for today. Yo, shout out to Young DFX. I'm just seeing you for the first time. So if you're just joining for the first time, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. Yeah, so it helps other people to get to see the video as well. So our alerts have been set on US oil. Maybe we could get a break around 10, a break around 11 based on my data that I've back tested. We usually get breaks around sometimes very early, sometimes around 10:30. Yeah. So we're just gonna wait and see. when it's going to happen. So while that is set, I'll just save the chart. Then let me look into XAUSD. Although I'm not planning to take a trade on that until when it becomes stable again. That's when I think I'll start taking trades on it. Because these days it's just running, stalling, running. So this was yesterday on XAU USD. This would have been our high before 8 o'clock. Then I would have been looking to take a trade after we close above the high. So the thing is that even though it went up, it would have not presented a retracement opportunity, and maybe I would have missed the trade. I'm not certain, but I feel like it would have not, because you can see it just ran up. It didn't quite retrace. It didn't quite retrace, but that's the thing. It's if I was in live market condition, I would know if I would have taken this trade or not. Because basically, I can't see a retracement here that much. So I'm not sure if I would have taken. I'm not sure if I would have taken it. I'm not sure if I would have taken it. So basically, that would have been it for gold yesterday. So let's look at gold today. In case you are looking to take gold today, this would be my analysis for gold. This is the high before 8 o'clock. This is the low before 8 o'clock as well. So for gold, basically, I'll be waiting for price to take out either the high or the low. I feel like it's going to take out the high. I'm not too sure because it's really running. So this would be it here. This so you basically wait for a takeout of the high or price to take out the low. Then you look for something like this because I'm not willing to take trade gold today. We're trading only oil for today. So this is basically my expectation for gold. So that's the expectation for gold. If you have any thoughts or comments, you can drop it in the comment section. You can drop it in the comment section. Also, if you want to get a prop firm, you can use Willis Capital prop firm. Then use the code AaronTechFX. You get a discount if you want to purchase an account. If you use AaronTechFX or capital letter, then you get a discount when you want to purchase an account. that is it for gold. Anybody interested in doing that? But for me, today I'll be trading USOIL, and basically throughout the month of May. So this is our analysis already on oil, and we're waiting for it to play out. Waiting for it to play out. If you have any thoughts or the peers or any peer you're watching today, you can let us know in the comment section. We can all check it out. We can all check it out. So we can see it's respecting our yesterday setup. So yesterday setup has not still even hit TP yet. So but basically we can see price is still buying from here, but I can't just come and join the buy again. I have to wait for a confirmation. I have to wait for a confirmation. I have to wait for price to take out this high. So that will be my confirmation to double down on the trade again, enter another buy and aim for those highs. So let's look at the bigger picture for oil and see what's even happening on the higher time frame. See a gap from Friday down to on Monday. It's opened lower. So I think it's trying to correct that gap. It's trying to correct that gap. Maybe we could just even see higher prices because the way it's moving up, it looks like it's something fundamental. Because on a normal scale, it's supposed to even come down here and take it out. It's supposed to even come down there and take out.
I don't think we have a group for them yet. So there's no group. Just make the invite and send it to me. So I'll send it to you.
So that's basically the larger picture for oil. I'm not looking at the daily time frame to try to project the bias. I'm just trying to look at the higher time frame narrative. I want to even check out the month. Even check out I want to even check out the month and check out the month. So I want to see if oil prices are, oh boy, look at where oil tanked. I don't know why would 20, I think I have to look into this. Like the price literally dropped crazy. Like it dropped below it would drop below zero. This was this was July 1st, 2019. I'll check that out and see why that happened. Like why would it drop below zero after going so high? I'm crazy. Something must have happened then. Okay, so I spent up to 30 minutes here, and we don't usually spend more than 30 minutes. So basically, we have the analysis. It's on the Telegram channel. If the trade breaks out here, I'll drop the signal to buy or to sell, and we'll all be good. So I'll see you guys on Telegram channel. I'll also see you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. So You can, if you want to copy my trace, send me a DM. You can automatically copy trace. If you want to buy a perfume as well, you can send a DM. I'll recommend the best perfume with your budget as well. So I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe. Stay safe. Thank you.